Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming runtimes and extensions so you won't hit surprises later. Open your Frontend and Backend folders in one VS Code workspace, then initialize projects with package, JSON or requirements, TXT. Once done, install Live Server for quick frontend refresh and Nodeman for backend restarts. Make sure to add env support now. You do this to iterate fast and keep configs local. Also create basic index, HTML and server, JS/app, Py files so you can test a minimum. Next, implement clear API routes on the backend. Start with a simple get that returns JSON and a post that accepts data. Once done, enable CORS or configure proxy to let the frontend call those endpoints. You do this because browsers block cross-origin calls by default. In the frontend, use fetch or Axios with a consistent base URL and validate responses. Make sure to test endpoints with curl, Postman, or VS Code REST client so you can iterate and fix request/response shape before wiring UI logic. Finally, run both the frontend and backend together, either with separate terminals or a single npm script using concurrently, and attach VS Code debuggers to each process so you can step through code. Make sure environment variables and port numbers match your requests. Update proxy or base URL as needed. Once the happy path works, containerize or deploy. If something breaks, first check CORS errors, mismatched ports, missing env vars, and network requests in DevTools. That single check solves most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.